Turn up the bass and make them all have fun. How we ablaze the fire, make it fun. Them we mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound. Boy run, and we will end your week just like a Sunday. We mash up the place.
Taking the hood off. Hang on, before we take this off, I want to disconnect these.
Oh, is that tight in?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
It's fine.
Oh, got enough room.
So if you can see, for those who can see, what we are doing now is taking the little heat shield thing underneath the hood off to get to the windshield wiper dealios. This is what confuses me. Okay, so coming up on a little issue getting these guys off. This is what it's going to look like after you take that heat shield off, and then we'll have to figure out how to get those guys off here real quick, because wait a second, it almost looks like, hang on, looks like they got a fitting right here that we can take off.
We still gotta get them out of here though.
Well, yeah, but we can at least get the hood off and then figure it out from there. So this is the test fit. Number one. It's fitting okay. I mean, there's some spots where it goes over a little bit. The front here is kind of what my big concern is, because that's a pretty decent lip right there. I'm not sure if there's gonna be, let's move this stuff. It didn't really do anything. Oh, yeah. I didn't think about that. Taking these guys out. Yeah, because they're not going to be in there at all.
That was it.
Awesome.
Oh wow, that really drastically changed. Now look at over here though.
So I wonder if there's any way.
That's what these are.
Right, but those are going to be
Gone.
Yeah.
Because now this lines up. But now these are dipped. The body length back here really good though. It looks like for opening and closing the hood, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Let's just to test as well.
You want to put them all the way down?
Yeah.
So the issue we're having right now, obviously it's aftermarket product, so it's not gonna fit 100%, but that guy's getting tight. Did that change it at all?
Needs to be like right there, so
Turn him a couple.
dude, so there's
Right now I got two.
2.
Yep. Well, shit.
There we go. But then
You got that lip again.
as soon as
You said it had the holes already
yeah.
with the threads in for that? Okay.
Yeah, because right there, that's like really good, except for right here.
Okay. The struggles of aftermarket products. So after some fitment issues with the hood, got the old one back on for now. We're gonna try and work out. He's looking at his truck right now. We actually got a few different ideas flowing through. We might be putting some sort of gasket liner on the Demon hood between there, just to kind of seal it a little better. Because as of right now, when you have the stock latch on the Demon hood, it doesn't shut all the way right there. There's a little bit of a gap right now, but it actually sits pretty flush. The Demon hood sits about 1/4 of an inch higher when it's got the latch on it, and it actually won't let you latch it completely if you have those little rubber adjusters on the inside. So you have to take those out in order to get that to latch completely, but then you've got fitment issues around here, and it's an aftermarket mess, but we're gonna get it figured out. We're gonna get it taken care of, and she's gonna be looking pretty sweet here in about a week or so, I would imagine. I don't want to take any much longer because I was taking up all this room in this poor man's garage. Big old freaking box.
Yeah, like my garage is clean.
Those were the resonators from poor Betsy. We might be doing a little video on him cutting them in half. He wants to see what the inside of these giant ass cowbells look like, so kind of sad, but I knew I wasn't gonna get it done tonight. I'm still impressed with the quality of the hood itself. It's not like cheap, chintzy. There's just some small fitment issues, and we're going to be emailing BMC Extreme Customs and sending them some pictures and seeing what kind of feedback we can get. Maybe there's some tips and tricks that we don't know about, but that's where we're sitting right now. And then we do have another surprise coming in here in about a week or so. I'm not gonna tell any of you. Sorry, OCD. I know you don't like surprises, but this one's gonna be a little bit bigger. Just by a little bit.
Just a smidge.
Just a smidge. So that's where we're sitting with her, and everything else is going good. I do have the new grill for this, and then I've got the new lower grill coming in because the new one, the whole design of the grill itself is different from this design, so I want them to match. I don't really care about those guys can look whatever, but I wanted the upper and lower, the biggest pieces, I wanted them to match. So I got the bottom one coming in, should be in on Thursday, I believe. It said the 8th, so we'll be getting that in on Thursday. Freaking thought you were closing the garage on me. I was about to be pissed. But yeah, so kind of exciting, kind of a bummer, but we'll get it done.